You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. In English, if you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned, I've got many more for you. The top word is always pronounced where. The bottom word is either pronounced tear, which means to rip, when you rip something apart, tear, or tear, which is when you cry, you know, the drop that falls out of your eyes. So, wear and tear, or wear and tear. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.